Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I want to share how to do positioning in CSS. So first we need to type basic HTML code in this. I'm creating a container with the name parent and I'm storing child components with the class name of child1. Okay, now I need to link CSS. Now let me start the server using live server. So this is child1 which we have represented in inside parent component. So now let me give color to parent component so that it will be good for representation. It is 800 pixels. So so one basic point about HTML is if you put something inside a div, then the div is restricted to that div, like its parent div. So in this way, if I take child component and design it, like let me put some border to it and give some color for representation. So as you can see, the child one is inside the container which is named as parent. Now, so this is child one. Now, if I want to move it, like if I want to place it inside div in some particular position, then I need to use positioning. For example, if you take this whole part as a whole of your house, then if I take this child one as a TV, then I need to place it over here middle and inside the all, right? So if I want to do that, then I need to use positioning so that I can move it to my desired place. So for that, I need to give parent component as position relative, then and child component should be absolute, so that we are giving positioning as relative to parent component because this part is the pivot point for the child one. So if I want to put absolute, if I put absolute to the child one, then it means that div parent is relative to div one. In that way, child is absolute to parent. So if you do that, and if I put like left, if I want to move it to left, then so it moves to left, because if I remove this positioning over here, then it stays in the same place. Even though if I put bottom, it doesn't move because it don't know where to move. Like we need to give position relative so that it moves with respect to that div. So if I put absolute to this, then it moves. So let me, like if I take this as a TV, then I need to move it to the center, right? So what I would do, 50%, it moves to center. Now if I want to take a sofa, like if we take same thing, and if I name this as child 2, and if I give it as sofa, we have sofa. Now let me do same thing but let me change the class and let me change the color to red and let me remove this height. We have sofa. Now if I want to move it to left, it moves to left, which is overlapping to each other. Now if I want to like move it a little bit down, then I need to give that. This is how it is done. Like we are moving it and we are placing it with the help of positioning of absolute. Now we are done with position, we are done with relative. Now the other part is fixed. So fixed is something which will be helpful so that we can, for example, if we design a header in one home in a website, it should be fixed even though we scroll down or up. So for that, if we use fixed and if you remove this, let me keep it in that way. If I move down, the sofa doesn't move. For example, if I increase the height of this to 150 vertical height, so if you move down, it doesn't move because it is fixed to that page. So even for fixing this, we need to give it as, we need to give the position as fixed so that it doesn't move. If we keep, like if you take this as a nav component, then it stays over there. And so this is now, if you move down, it doesn't move, like it is fixed to that position of the div. So it is fixed to that div so that it doesn't move to any place even though if we scroll down. So this is all about dealing with positioning using CSS. Thank you.